Now let us discuss about pipelining method calls or chaining the method calls on a parallel stream. So remember that similar to sequential stream, on parallel stream also we can chain the method calls. So for example, let's me take integer array, and then we will create a parallel stream and then do the method chainings. So it's numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then let's convert this into arrays dot stream and then pass this. So we have converted into a stream, and then call parallel to go create the parallel stream, and then filter. So basically we are going to do the chaining now. Num, let's filter out all the even ones, and then let us also double each the numbers which are all the even ones. So num into 2, and then finally we want to collect this, or let's say print this. For each system dot out println. This should be 0 not O. So I hope this looks fine. Do the formatting with Control Alt L, save this and run this. We can see we have filtered all the even ones, and we have twice them. So basically we created a parallel stream. Initially this line creates a stream of these integer array values. Then on next line we are creating a parallel stream. So we are just enabling the concurrent multiprocessing to happen, and then we are doing the method chaining similar to what we used to do in the stream. Okay.